Guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can put your GoPro Hero into pairing mode. So you need to navigate through the camera's menu to activate the wireless connection. So follow these steps to connect to the GoPro Quick app or the remote. So let's go and do that. Now power on your camera. Now what you can do, in just a moment, I will quickly change this, okay? Now swipe down just like that, and then swipe left, that we get to the preferences. Click on the preferences. Now tap wireless connection, so the second one, wireless connection, just like that, and then connect device like so. And then here you have options, so you can GoPro Quick app, the remote, and also you have Volta if you have it, or waterproof shutter remote. So you can choose between them what you need or what you prefer in that moment when you connecting devices. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.